Hi guys, welcome back. Today is our math lesson for today, okay? And we're going to talk about the 5 little monkeys who are jumping on the bed, okay? We all know this story, so let's try to help me out, okay? There are 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. What happens? One falls off and bumps his head. So now that little monkey is on the floor. There you go. Mama calls the doctor, and the doctor says, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." There are 4 monkeys still on the bed. One falls off and bumps his head. Mama calls the doctor, and the doctor says, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, so we have the group of monkeys on the bed. There are 1, 2, 3 monkeys still on the bed. And the group that's on the floor, 1, 2, still on the floor. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One falls off and bumps his head. Mama calls the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Alright, we still have our group up on the bed. We still have our group up on down on the floor. Together it makes all 5 monkeys. Alright, let's see. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One falls off and bumps his head. Mama calls the doctor. The doctor says, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Alright, we have 1 monkey left on the bed. This is our group on the bed. We have 4 monkeys who are sitting on the floor. That's our floor group. But there are still 5 monkeys all together. Okay? 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One falls off and bumps his head. Mama calls the doctor, and the doctor says, "Put those monkeys straight to bed." Alright, do we have any monkeys in our group that are on the bed? Nope, they're all gone. How many monkeys are on the floor? That's right, there are 5. So we had a group on the bed and a group on the floor. Okay?